Good morning. We're on the roof for client claim number 4079K161B. We're attempting a repair based on the carrier specs. We'll be removing this damaged shingle here. In order to remove it, we need to manipulate the two rows above it. I will be using the roof snake, which is prescribed by State Farm. Let's get started. Pretty much already unsealed because of how old it is. Alright, a lot of granules already falling off. We already have separation just from trying to remove this first nail, completely delaminated. There's one. I'm using the tail end of my hatchet just so I can lift up the above shingles to get access to the nail. As you can see, we have complete separation in the two layers. We will document that at the end. You can see complete delamination separation. Just trying to remove the shingle. Need to get the second row of shingles now. A lot of damage occurring. Just trying to get these nails out. We are not manipulating the shingle any more than we have to. We have a lot of fracturing that I can already see. We got one more. Should be it. Got one more high nail, looks like it's holding it in. More delamination and separation. We'll be replacing it with another standard laminate. Dimensions are good. As you can see, the top row is damaged. Let's go ahead and get this one secured. In. Second row now. repairs are complete. We have very obvious damage from the upper layer. We have some fracturing at the top here, complete separation from both shingles below. This would be deemed a fail attempt. We will submit also close-up photos for your review. Thank you for watching.